Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to type text and how to format numbers using Excel. And with that being said, let's get ready to begin. Now we go to names, but we zoom in first. We go to the empty cells, the control scroll mouse wheel. You hit control and then scroll mouse wheel to zoom in. And then you type up the names. Name, title, 2019, 2018. I'm just going a little fast there, but right click and hold the right mouse button, and when you let go you hit the option fill series, and then you type underneath names. I'm making up names like Maria Jarvis, Angel Perez, but it could be any name that you choose and desire, and in this case also is Bill Ackman. But whatever name floats your boat, you can type in whatever you see fit, but I'm just starting with mine. Now going further, all of the names are typed. Hit the arrow for best fit, double click the column width to resize the column, and then come to the title area in the cell and then type job. I forgot to space it. Backspace, double click, backspace, space bar, I'm sorry. And then type underneath that supervisor, and you can type whatever job title position you want to type. It doesn't matter. This is fiction, but in my case it's supervisor and store manager. I'm going to double click to resize the column, then select both, and then double click the fill handle so they can copy. I'm going to even this out and add at least one more name. So I'm going to start by typing Marcus. Now what last name I'm going to come up with? Williams. I'm going to do Williams. That would be better. And then press tab, and then type store manager. See store. Yup, Excel remembers that. That's why I love Excel, and that's why it's so convenient and easy for me. But select the area, the empty cells, and then format that into dollar formats. You go up top, click dollar sign, and then F2 button, equal sign, ran between, press tab to include the function, and then in this case I'm gonna select 1000, 3000, and then control enter, and then hold the right mouse button, drag, let go, and hit copy here as value. And pretty much that would be all. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's been a pleasure, and I will see you next time. Peace.